So on this job, we're going to be trialing out two more of the Juno products. We're going to trial the Juno Prof, which is their cleanable, durable emulsion. This is a kitchen, so that's going to be perfect for an area that needs to be cleaned and wiped down. And we're also going to try out the Juno Aqualac, which is their water-based satin for all of the woodwork in here. Let's see how we get on. First up, Juno Prof. This is the cleanable, durable, anti-mold emulsion. Finishes with roughly a 5% sheen. The flow straight out of the tin was great, as you can see here, and also the opacity was quite impressive. That's quite a dirty wall going over into a white finish. This was the second coat, and as you can see, after 2 full coats, we had solid opacity. Next up is Juno's water-based woodwork finish, Aqualac. This can be used interior and exterior, and is a hard-wearing water-based finish. So, first impressions on the Aqualac, really good. The woodwork in this room was given 1 coat of the Natacell primer and then 1 follow-up coat of the Aqualac, and it provided solid opacity. The paint flows really well and is a very bright, brilliant white. To top it all off, it's low odour and very fast drying. I'd recommend the Juno Aqualac. Go and give it a try. There's a new player in town and its name is Juno.